Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some mail that I want to share with you guys. I went to check my mail and honey, I almost hit the floor. I was like, what? If you guys could see me checking my mail, you would have been like, this girl is crazy. I saw this giant, look at this giant box from L'Oreal. Oh my goodness. Okay, so in the past, if you've watched, I got a PR box from L'Oreal and I was so grateful for them sending me that. It was my first PR unboxing. So I didn't know that they were gonna send me something else, and this box is like 3 times bigger than the first box that I got. So I am super excited. I cannot wait to get this open. Of course, I love to be surprised, so of course I wanted to wait until I got on camera with you guys so that you guys can see what they sent me, because yeah, I like rushed home to open this with you guys. So let me get some scissors so I can peel open this tape and I will show you guys what they sent. Okay, so I got the tape off and I am ready to pop this open, and it's really heavy, so I need to sit this down on my lap because I'm like, I feel like a big kid right now. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, what is this? What is this, you guys? It says Luma, or I think it's Lumi. Like, oh my goodness. That feels like a box. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't even know how to take this out. Let me, it's a bunch of these in here. How do I get this out? Oh my gosh, this is like a giant, the box fell. So the box is empty now, and what I am holding looks like, what is that? Okay, it's some kind of a box. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh my God. Oh my God, I am like super excited right now, you guys. I am so grateful. I don't even know what this is. I am so grateful to L'Oreal. This is not a sponsored video, of course. Before I even open this, I'm like, this is so cool. What is this? I am in love with this box. It's like rose gold, or I don't know. That looks like rose gold to me. It's so pretty, and this is like hard plastic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's in this box? Okay, so I opened it and I see styrofoam. Let's peel that off. And another styrofoam. And another one. Oh my goodness. What? It says, get glowing with the new True Match Lumi Glow collection by L'Oreal Paris. You guys, you want to know what's so funny about this right now at this moment is the other day I posted on my Instagram. I was in CVS and I posted on Instagram all of this stuff. Like, I literally showed this on there, and probably like 3 days ago, and I was considering buying all of it, and I was like, you guys, look at all this glow, all their glow. Like, I was just talking about it, and all of the highlighters and all of this stuff, and here I am getting a box of it. Isn't that funny how some things work? Like, I don't know if I spoke that into existence or what. But I am super excited. Oh my goodness. The collection, which includes Glotion, Glow Amore Illuminating Drops, Shimmery Step Powder, and Glow Nude Palette, which can be layered or used alone for luminous, glowing skin. We can't wait to hear what you think. Let it glow. And then they put their names on here. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it's telling me that if I share with you guys, let you guys know that I received these Compliments of Loreal Paris in the copy included in the post. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got interrupted. It seems like every time I'm filming my phone rings. I need to start turning it off. Okay, so yeah, so I'm letting you guys know that they sent this to me complimentary. Look at everything in this beautiful box. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me see if I can get this out. So the first one is Shimmerista Illuminate Highlight Strobing Powder. Look at that. And when I saw these in the store, I was like, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, and it comes with a little shaker top at the top, so you can shake that out and use it. I am not going to do that right now at this moment. If you guys want me to show you swatches like in a separate video, just let me know down below. But for now, I'm just showing you guys what they sent. Then this highlighter palette, which says Glow Nude. And okay, so this one is called Sun Kissed. Really, really, look at that. Look at those colors. And I fell in love with these when I seen them in CVS, but at the time I just didn't purchase any, but I really wanted to get some. And then this one is Moon Kissed. So the colors are a little bit different, but all of them are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then there's another one of these. They got these in here secure. I love it. So this one. And this one is more like a pearl color, like highlighter. Oh my gosh. And then, how many times I'm gonna say that? And then, let's see, let me take these two out. So then there is the Glow Boosting Drops in Daybreak. And this one is in Golden Hour. These two. So this one, right, I can show you. This one right here was Daybreak. And it kind of looks like a rose gold type of a color. Beautiful. And this one is more of a gold. And that one is Golden Hour. I cannot wait to play with these. Oh gosh. And all of the glotions. Glotion. I love that word. Like lotion, but it's going to have you glowing. So the first one is 903 in Medium Glow. Honey, I'm going to be glowing for days. Highlighted up all through summer. Then this one. And it says Light Glow. And on the back it says instantly hydrates and luminizes for an all over fresh, healthy, naked skin glow. Hydrate, dot, blend, and then glow. So that's what these say. And like I said, I did see these in CVS. If I can, I will link them down below. All of these products below from the L'Oreal website. I dropped one from the L'Oreal website in case you want to get any. Let's see. This one is Fair Glow. The packaging on this one is so pretty. It's kind of like pink, but it has that glowy type of a pearl look to it. If you can't see it through the camera really, but it's really pretty. And then the last one is Deep Glow, and they have the numbers 904. I bet you this one is super pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I just want to say thank you to L'Oreal. I don't know who thought of sending this to me. After the last package that they sent, I did send them an email. Thank you for the first package. And so that was pretty much it. I didn't know that they were going to be sending me anything else. You guys, I am so grateful for this. I mean, just to get sent something this awesome, oh my God, from such a big company like that, I'm just overwhelmed right now. And I thank L'Oreal again for this. Look at this box. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I can use this. This box is not going anywhere. anywhere. So thank you guys all for watching. I just had to come and share this with you guys because when I seen this box, I was like, what is this? Who sent it? What? And yeah, so I had to come share it with you guys. I cannot wait to play in this stuff. So think of a funny glow joke, but I can't at this moment because my cheeks hurt and I'm overwhelmed and I'm super happy by my little box. I feel like it's a boom box. You know how in the old days you can walk around with your boom box on your shoulder with your music playing? I might just walk around with this on my shoulder like, hey you guys, I'm glowing today. No, but thank you guys all for watching and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.